Hi everyone, welcome to No Code Learner. Today I'm going to show you how you can set up Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager with Unbounce landing page. So this is our Unbounce landing page. It's a just demo page. I use the default template from Unbounce for showing you. Okay, so for setup Google Tag Manager, first of all you have to create Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics. Okay, then you have to connect it with Unbounce. And Unbounce have some default option to set up Google Analytics. Okay, I'll show you. If I click the settings here, first of all you have to log in Unbounce. Then you get a option of setting. Okay, here is the option setting. You have to click the settings and choose script. First option. And here is the see that they have a default option which is Google Analytics. You can use it, but we are going to using Google Tag Manager because we want to implement multiple tracking, like multiple platform tracking. And if we use this one, sometimes it's not properly worked. See that it's provide some event button click, form submission, variant tracking. But if you want, you can use it, but it's not so efficient. Okay. Better you have to install Google Tag Manager and install using Google Tag Manager. You can properly configure different types of tracking like Facebook conversion, then Google Ad conversion, and GA4 conversion as you want. Okay, so we are going to using Google Tag Manager for doing the whole process. Okay, choose Google Tag Manager, and here you have to put your Tag Manager ID. Now we have to open Google Tag Manager, and in when you log in Tag Manager, you'll see their Tag Manager ID here. Just copy the ID. If you click on it, or you can directly select it and copy it. Okay, and here it is. Just put it here and add additional script. Auditing, please match the request found. Yeah. If anywhere you see that here is a space added, that's why it's showing this issue. If we remove the space from the first, then click add script, then it will be work. Okay. And after adding the code here, it's showing that script use. So which landing page use this script? You have to select this landing page link. Our case, this one. So choose after choosing it, you have to publish, save and publish. Okay. Sometimes it takes few seconds. Okay, we have to wait. We have to wait a minute, I guess. Okay, now it's successfully installed. Google Tag Manager. Let's verify that it works or not. Here is our landing page. Let's reload it, and using Google Tag Assistant, we can check it. Google Tag Assistant extension is already installed. Here it is, our GTM installed successfully. Now we are going to install Google Analytics. So after creating Google Analytics account, you have to go to admin section. From the admin, you can find data stream. And after click the data stream, you have to click here. And here is the measurement ID. Just copy it. And go to Tag Manager again and create a new tag. And choose tag configuration. No need to discover any tag because we are going to install Google Analytics. So choose the first option, Google Analytics, and you have to choose this one, Google Tag. Then you have to put your Google Tag ID here, but I need to use it multiple times. That's why I'm not directly put it like this way. I want to use it multiple times. That's why I store it under a constant variable. Okay, then you have to click the plus icon. Then you have to choose a constant under utilities. Now put your ID here and give it a name, GF4 measurement ID. Measurement ID. Now save it. Okay, fine. I have to reload this page. See that it's showing some error. Sometimes when you face this kind of issue, just reload your page. I mean, tag manager. Okay, now do it one more time. Google Analytics. Sorry, it should be Google Analytics. Under Google Analytics, you have to choose Google tag. Then click the plus icon from here and plus icon and choose constant variable. Okay, now put your ID here and give it a name. GF4 measurement ID. Okay, now save it. And you have to add one parameter and then click the configuration setting and click here and give it a parameter send page view event. When you type send, it will auto suggest you and put your values which is true and give it a name GF4 configuration. Okay, now save it and see that it's showing that. Okay, I show you again. If I click on it, it shows a trigger which is initialize all page. I want to use different trigger which is all page. Actually, most these two and this one is almost same. We have to choose the all page. Okay, save it and submit it. When you publish it, then it will affect in your live side, else it will not affect in your live side. Okay, so you have to publish it. Now close it and go to Google Analytics. Close this one and click the report from the left sidebar and you have to choose the real-time overview. See that it's showing one users. Actually, I'm visiting this page and that's why it's showing 6 minutes ago. Okay, but if I visit the landing page now, then it will showing something here. Okay, let's visit it again or reload this page again. Then you will see our tag manager. See that here is tag manager code and our analytics code will be also showing here because we just installed it a few minutes ago. Good, we have to wait. Actually, our country is showing some issues. That's why I'm using VPN. I don't know what happened. Few days I noticed that Unbounce is not opening in here. Okay, I have to install it and hard reload it. Our analytics code is not showing here. Okay, now it's showing. Just close it and I have to check our analytics. Okay, reload it. No worries, it's installed successfully. Okay, see that one users and just 2 minutes ago because I am visit this page, that's why. Okay, so let's suppose I am create any let's suppose I fill out the form. Just read some random details. Okay, you have to put the number here. Why? It's asking that for. Okay, let's use it. Okay, we have successfully submit the form, and if you notice that it's count some event and it's showing that form start. Okay, so our proper form submission event is not fired here. We have to install. We have to track the form. Okay, so we need proper submission event which is generated, and we have to configure it, otherwise we will not properly track our form. It's showing form start and it's default form submission event. Okay, our next video I'm showing that how you can set up J4 form submission event, I mean form tracking event, what I are saying. Okay. So today we successfully installed Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager. If you need any help and support, you can join our Facebook group and you can post your queries so that we can help you. And you will get all the group links and my profile link in the description below. Thank you so much.